Hey guys, Alvin Mark here. We are in the Tiong Bahru district, and I hear that another shop, one of my favorite shops, will be closing down. And it's not Hua Bee. You know, the interesting thing is they were faced with situations in the last 10 years, and all of us thought that they were gonna close down. But guess what? They outlasted me, and they outlasted BooksActually. They've been around for 60 over years. Food delivery. BooksActually will continue to... Oh, they're doing shoe repair services right here. Nice. BooksActually will continue to sell their wares online if you need to buy a book or two, or gifts, or whatever. They'll still be running the Singlit and other events throughout the year in the various locations in Singapore once phase 3 happens. But for now, it's goodbye to that charming and cozy little shop at Yong Siak Street. So folks, this is behind the counter, and it's one of my favorite spots when I'm here at BooksActually, because that's where I do autographs. Yeah, and they'll pile up stacks and stacks of books for me to sign at one go. It takes a lot of time, but I'm gonna definitely miss it being in here. Also in this room is where, well, it used to be all the antiques that Kenny has. It used to be like here, and I'm a very visual person, so I just love seeing all these tiny things. Yeah, but it's not here anymore. Old school weighing scale. So the in-house graphic designer used to be here. Now it's all storage area, and they're gonna ship it to a new location. Details of that place coming up real soon on the BooksActually site. I have great memories of this place. This is the very sacred and holy ground. Really important, right? And I remember once I locked the door, and guess what? I was stuck here for a while because it's not opening, and this has not only happened to me but also newbies joining the team. Yeah. Guys. Oh man. Guys. Great. But then there's a trick to it. All you have to do is just, it's a U-hook. Pull it in, lift it out, and voila. Things that you learn on this channel. Alright guys, so it's time for an oil painting. Yes, I've sketched inside this shop before. I've done ink sketches, maybe I think a watercolor, but I've not oil painted in here because it's always been crazy, right? And busy with people, customers walking in and out and all that. Also because they have this old counter area cordoned off and there's no one here, I decided to chance the opportunity and locate myself here, and here we go. So I've chosen this scene also because of this simple perspective that we're getting. Very important during this drawing stage that I get all the lines down correct. I get this grand view of the staff or the elves at BooksActually doing their thing, being hard at work, getting the deliveries out on time. So in this episode, we're gonna talk about doing details. We are in a bookstore, there are plenty of books. Do I draw every single book? on the shelf, I just hint and scrub in a few books. Remember, less is more, and the more details or the more lines and dots that you put in, the less natural it will look, or the more illustrative it will look. So that's your tip for this episode. Oh yeah, if you're wondering why I'm using this plate, this plate over here, you will find out in the coming episode, so stay tuned for that. And since I had a bit of time, they gave me another stack of books to autograph. Woohoo! It's gonna be my last set of books autographed here at number 9 Yong Siak Street. So guys, fans of the bookshop, this is the last day that BooksActually will be functioning right here at Yong Siak Street. So remember that they are fully operational online, so if you are book lovers, you need to get a gift for someone, go to their website. I'll leave the links down in the description box. This is Alvin Mark. Ciao guys.